4:20 on 10/10/2024, Palm Beach County. Hurricane Milton still giving big winds, and every time I try to film one, it stops. There's some. Wow. It just goes to show you how windy 40 miles an hour is. This is like 40, they say. I don't think so. It seems like more like 60. Sustained 40 with gusts of like probably 60, 70. What I'm thinking. Every time I try to, okay, there, that's a 70. See? I finally caught one. But, like, yeah, you can see leaves flying around then after one of those big gusts. Ah, look at the clouds still feeding. Wow. Some of the gusts are so hard they make me step backwards, and I'm up on a second floor. I'm thinking, man, I don't see nothing flying around. Clouds are back feeding still. Like, the clouds are heading west is what I'm trying to say, but the storm's heading east. So those clouds that are like going west are getting sucked as tail, like backdrafting with Milton. Yeah, well explained, Professor Whip. Professor Dip Whip. Nitwit. Alright, there's a couple big bursts for you. Good Lord.